Hi everyone, Nagin here, and I am coming to you on our Wellness Wednesday to talk to you about the new doTERRA baby line that is out today. It's just until supplies last, so I wanted to just get on and let you guys know a little bit about the products that they're providing in this baby line, and hopefully it will become something that they'll get put on a more permanent basis and add to over time, because I really love this idea. It's a passion of mine to work with moms and new babies and help find natural solutions and healthy ways to take care of our newborns. So there are 3 products in this new line, and the first product is a diaper rash, and then there is a hair and body wash and a baby lotion. The diaper rash cream is for treating and soothing and preventing diaper rash, and so it's got lavender and carrot seed and tea tree oil, essential oils in it, and it's made in a shea butter, so it's really good for moisturizing. And then there is a non-nano zinc oxide, which helps prevent acts as a barrier to the skin. So that is the first product, which is the diaper rash cream. And then there is a hair and body wash, and that's just a tear-free natural shampoo. It's got a calming blend of vanilla extract, lavender, and Roman chamomile in it. And can be used to wash the hair and the body. It's also very calming and soothing to the skin. And then there's the baby lotion, which has the same essential oils in it, the lavender, the Roman chamomile, and the vanilla extract. And that's for dry skin, soothing and moisturizing the skin. The shea butter is very calming for sensitive skin. Our skin is our largest organ, and so we want to take care of it. We want to make sure that what we're putting on it is being absorbed into our whole body. And so especially with our little ones, we want to try to make sure that there are minimal ingredients in the products that we're using on their skin. But this is not just a product line for babies. Anybody can really use these products, anybody with sensitive skin, and the diaper rash cream can be used for all kinds of things. It can be used to soothe eczema and psoriasis. It can be used as a sunscreen. It's like a 60 SPF sunscreen. It can be good for razor burn or ingrown hairs. You can also use it dotted under the eyes for puffiness around the eyes. It'll help relieve that. And so multiple uses for just that diaper cream, even for adults. The hair and body wash and the lotion can also be used for anybody with sensitive skin, kids of all ages, anybody who has fine or thin hair, it's good. You can use it as a face wash, like a gentle face wash. You can use the shampoo body wash for an eye makeup remover, as a gentle shaving lotion. You can use it as a gentle pet shampoo, so it's safe for your animals. And then also the lotion is good for any dry skin, elderly skin. So it's just a very gentle line that's very calming and soothing for the skin and hair. So these products are available, like I said, while supplies last. We'll post some things here. I think Miranda has already posted a few information sheets and some of these extra uses for this line, but they would make great gifts for your new mom friends or family, or just for yourself to use as your own gentle skin care. I also wanted to mention, while we're kind of talking about the baby thing, that doTERRA has their Touch line, which is already the pre-diluted roller balls. Like the lavender one here, and these are diluted to a level of safe for all ages, so infant and baby use as well. So in that idea of if you're unsure about how to dilute, this line is a great, the touch line is a great line to pick up as well for your little ones. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Please post any questions and we'll be happy to answer them, and get your baby kit while they last. All right.